Welcome back. What we're now going to do is start the process of a live stream. And what we're going to do is we're going to go into our live streaming link. We're going to go to the Events tab. And once we get to the Events tab, we're going to look for the live stream that we set up. And we're going to click this button that says Start Hangout on Air. Now you're going to get another message that says that Google wants to use your microphone and your camera. Now this is going to be a separate window from your browser, so you are going to need to click Allow. Now there are going to be several things on this screen that you're going to want to take note of. Now obviously when you enter this area, you have not yet started the broadcast. So one of the first things you'll want to take note of is going to be your Settings button. And this is where you're going to set up your camera. This is where you're going to set up your microphone. And this is where you're going to set up what you are going to be listening to either in your headset or through your personal computer. If you want to make sure that the sound is playing, you'll click this link where you're going to play a test sound. Once you have all of this information in, you are then going to click Save. Now obviously we do not have the camera turned on, but if we did, you'd be seeing a preview of your webcam's view in this box. It's here where you will be able to adjust your bandwidth. Now again, if you're trying to broadcast in as high a quality as possible, you're obviously going to want to tilt the scale toward this end. The default setting is going to be at the very end. You can have it so that your camera is going to be turned off altogether. Now currently, even though all you see is a blank screen, the camera is turned on. And the only reason that you can't see the subject is because there's a cover over the camera. If we turn off the camera in this case, you're going to notice that the icon is going to be there. The camera is turned back on, then the view of the camera will come back on and it will be the preview here. If you want to mute the microphone, you're going to be able to do that from this area. Now what you're going to see in this area is going to be an invitation. And when you click this link, you're not going to be inviting people to watch the call. You're actually going to be inviting people to participate with you in your live broadcast inside of your Hangout. So you're going to click this button and you're going to get a link. The link that you share here is going to go to people and then they're going to actually be invited on the panel with you to present during your live broadcast. So you can pass the link by clicking here or you can send the link specifically to an individual by using their name and email address in this area. Now at this point, we're going to close this invitation. We're going to stop the video here, and when we come back, we're going to work with this left side menu of other controls for your Hangout. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.